The government's vaccination drive in Meghalaya needs an impetus with technical and materialistic assistance with a stronger community engagement to expedite the process of vaccination, especially in areas of low vaccination rate or unreachable pockets of the state. In order to expedite the vaccination, U.S. Agency for International Development supported Momentum Routine Immunization Transformation and Equity had partnered with Indian Social Responsibility Network in Ribhoi District, West Khasi Hills District, South Garo Hills District and East Garo Hills District of Meghalaya. Addressing the media at Shillong Press Club, Dr. Richa Sharma, the team leader of ISRN, said,
We are Indian Social Responsibility Network, ISRN. We are an NGO, national level non-governmental organization working in field of COVID-19 vaccination program in 10 selected districts of Meghalaya and Nagaland. So we are currently working in Nagaland and Meghalaya, in 6 districts in Nagaland and 4 districts in Meghalaya. And if I say 4 districts in Meghalaya, again I'll tell you it's West Khasi, South Garo, East Garo and Ribhoi. To support and amplify the government efforts in successful vaccinating the eligible population to cover the left out and non-vaccinated population above age 12. So now it is open for above age 12. So we are now focusing on above 12. With special focus on people with comorbidities and marginalized one such as tribal population, people living in hard to reach areas. ISRN has been doing different types of field level activities for amplifying the COVID-19 vaccination program in the state of Meghalaya. So we are doing awareness camps, we are supporting vaccination camps, we are doing wall writing for the awareness of people around, we are doing miking activity to let people around about the vaccination centers and about the COVID-19 vaccination programs. So we are doing IPC, interpersonal communication, going hard to reach areas. We are doing IPC, we are making them aware, we are one-to-one, we are interacting with people.
Tika benta pangila benta kada Shillong but benta ru ilas dang ki haki school seban ai awareness but banle ka wall writing ni ya tray dekat bat kanika state bat kanika district apa district ni don ki DIU ni don ki kibag support ini kibayarap ini haman pentrikam ya kanika ki activities ka bangi pentrikam hapoki Shillong jong kanika south di blocks di kata kanika kamram ka bangi ni napo ISRN ni tray saki Shillong.